Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to change your FTX wallet password using PC. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by pressing that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the URL box, make sure to type in ftx.com/wallet and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you're logged into your ftx.com wallet account. Once you're inside, from the main home page, mouse over to your username or your email address located at the upper right hand corner, and from the expanded pop-up, select Settings. This will open up your Profile tab. Click on Change Password link under Account Security and click the Reset Password link on the right-hand side. Remember that changing your password right now will prevent you from withdrawal for 24 hours starting now. Once you click on that link, you'll be sent an email to reset your password. Open up a new tab and log into your email service provider and check your inbox. Inside the inbox tab, you'll be able to receive a link to reset your password or to change your password. Give it a click to open and you'll be able to see this interface. Click on the link provided from FTX wallet and you'll get to choose a new password you would like to change to by typing it into the new password text box. Confirm the new password by typing it again on the next field. Once both of the passwords matches, your reset code will be pasted automatically. Click on Click to Verify button and complete the puzzle displayed in the pop-up. Finally, click on Reset Password and you'll be able to change your password right away on FTX wallet. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.